Alrighty boys, today we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Talion. I'm not gonna bore you with all the jibber jabber on the box here, as you probably already seen everybody else unbox it. But today we're gonna be speed running, and you know we're gonna be bashing it. Let's see if it holds up to me, and hopefully this changes my view on Arrma. I really hope the Talion's gonna change my view. This looks like such a beautiful car. I could not wait to unbox it. So let's start out with a speed run. Enjoy this awesome Talion with me today, guys. All right, so here's all the jibber jabber on the box. You know, I'll be leaving a link down below so you can go check out the full Talion. Obviously, you guys have seen this everywhere online, but I had to get my hands on one of these things. And we're already at the speed run location, so we're gonna unbox it here, immediately rip it. And the science that I'm talking about, as you'll see in 1 second. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, look at that car, man. Look at that car. Don't you just like that car? Look at that car. Nice. I don't know what that is. Get up out of here, boy. Check out how beautiful this thing is, guys. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? I know you've seen it everywhere, but have you seen it up and close on my channel yet? Beautiful chassis is gonna get all scraped up today, boys. I mean, it's gonna get all messed up today. But this thing looks absolutely amazing. I'm not one to like the red, but guys, this beautiful EXB red is amazing. This is my first true EXB that I have bought. My other crate, and I turned into one, and oh my God. Why is there already wetness on my servo? Please, please, please do not be a lemon this time. My Creighton is such a lemon. Please don't be a lemon, Talion. I'm so excited for you. So to have grease already on there, I'm not understanding that. But dude, well worth the money for the EXB bulkheads. That's the biggest upgrade you need on these. And right out of the box, guys, I'm not going to test anything. I got a buddy that told me all of the screws are loose on his. He said, make sure you tighten those up, Brett. I said, I'm good. He said, motor screws are loose too. Motor's not jiggling, so we're good there, guys. We are just gonna slap a battery in this beautiful girl and run it. Now, I know most of you guys watch me for the Arrma hate, the Arrma hate, as I would say, because this is an Arrma Talion at the end of the day. But I really want this one to change my mind on Arrma, because it is too beautiful to completely hate out of the box. As you can see, my shavings here that some Chinese kid left, all on like little metal shavings already. So hopefully that's not a precursor of what's about to go down. All right, guys, now the science that we're going to be trying today with this Talion, it might be a little bit different than we normally do. We just kind of, you know, brush over the speed run, do like 2 runs, whatever. I want to see today if 100C 6S LiPo is different from a 90C LiPo. So we're going to be doing 3 passes on the 90C CNHL, then 3 passes on the Turnigy 100C battery with the stock tires. Then we're going to redo it again with the Arrma Fireteam tires. And shout out IDK, some car guy, on the post that I made about the Talion. When I asked, what do you guys want to see me do with this Talion? He said, put Arrma Fireteam tires on it. So what we're going to do for the second run, the second set of runs, is we're going to put the Arrma Fireteam tires on it. Since they're a little bit bigger, we're going to see if we get more speed out of it. What do you guys say? Stick with me through this, because it's going to be fun. And then I might even turn the punch up on here and just see what it will do on a stock pinion. All right, guys, now we're going to mount my Life of Ballen GNSS protector here to somewhere. Either I'm going to strap it down to that bar, or I'm going to put it right here. And let's go see how fast this goes. All right, actually, I just strapped it down to the battery strap, because why not? That long strap is already waiting for it. Here is the moment of truth. Let's get it turned on here and listen to this baby purr. Beautiful servo work. Oh yeah, beautiful. So remember, guys, we're on 90C right now. 90C installed. We are in fact going here. So let's go ahead and do start on that. All right, boys, let's see. I think it's going to do 63 out of the box like this. Wow, that is hauling. That's full throttle. Here we go. Let's get another good one here. Oh yeah, boys. She's hauling booty. She's hauling booty. It's so quiet too for what it is. What did I say, 62 or 63? Brand new, boys, brand new. Let's see. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Stop, read. 57 out of the box. Okay, 57 out of box on 90C. Let's go to 100C. All right, we got the 100C turning G installed. Time to do Mythbusters. So will C actually matter? We're on 100C now. Let's see. We see if C is the C of the C or if it's just fake. Let's get it. 100C, baby. Ooh, I'm just literally on the throttle the whole time. So stable on these stock tires, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So stable. And actually good range on this stock controller too. Everybody always talks trash about these. All right, boys. I don't know if that went faster than 57. But let's see if the C myth is real or not. That wheel looks like it's loose. I'm gonna have to check that. That wheel looks like it's loose. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Stop, read. 56, we did slower with the 10C higher. What? 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 Did we just bust a C myth? A C, actually I can't do it on camera. Did we bust that? Now, I'm not an engineer, I'm not an astronaut, I'm not a dietitian, but if I'm a thinking man, and I am, I think what happens is the turning G battery is heavier by a little bit, and it just takes it down by 1 mile an hour of the weight. So knowing that the CNHL battery we're gonna run faster, now I'm gonna use that for my fire team tires. Let's get that. All right, so we got the CNHL back in, now for the fire team tires. That was not tight at all. Boom, guys, there we go. The metallic flaking in this body is just so beautiful. All right, guys, we got it on the fire team tires now. Let's go see if we can go faster with bigger tires. Alrighty, we got the GNSS going, and look at how beautiful this thing looks. All right, guys, let's see if the fire team tires will make a difference and we can beat 57. Feels like we're pulling hard to the left now. Oh my God. I think we're going faster with them. Let's see, boys. What do we think? What do we think? Do we think it did any better? Let's see now. Stop, read. 68, so we got 1 mile an hour faster out of it. Okay, so now we know with the fire team tires, it's 1 mile an hour faster. Actually, hold on. 68. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's 10 miles an hour faster. What am I doing? That's 11 miles an hour faster with it. We were at 57, right? So we got 11 miles an hour just off of tires? What? Bro, okay, fire team tires are it. Now, what if we gear it up? How fast are we gonna get? Let's go put the speed pinion on it. Actually, boys, before we put the speed pinion in it, let's go ahead and turn it all the way up on punch 9 and see how fast we get out of that. Cool, so it actually comes on punch level 7. We're gonna turn it up to 9. I'm guessing that's the highest you can go, right? 9. Now let's see if we get any speed faster than that. We're looking to beat 68 on punch 9. Can we get it? I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I don't really feel that much faster, but it sure is hauling. Almost lost it right there. Man, that thing looks evil. Almost just killed my camera that's not recording. Let's bring her back. Let's see if punch 9 did anything. Stop, read. We went slower, so punch 7, we're going back to punch 7 on it. Sounds good. So I went ahead and went back to punch 7, but if you could look in here, why is there so much freaking diff fluid, I'm guessing, out of my center diff? It's like just leaking down in there, so that's cool. I mean, it doesn't look that bad at all. Still so clean, we haven't really messed it up yet, so let's put the speed pinion in here and see if we can't beat 68. So it does come with the speed pinion here. So let's go ahead and throw this thing in. I believe this is a 23 tooth. Yeah, it's a 23 tooth. Okay. Opposed to whatever's in here. So let's go ahead and start dissecting this thing. This is field upgrades, not field repair, but field upgrades. Oh, we are. Dude, that screw's already stripped. That motor screw is already stripped. Okay, I'm gonna go get an MIP bit and just see. Let's see again here. This is an MIP bit. Okay, MIP bit did it. I guess Traxxas bits and Arrma don't agree. Woo, thank you. That was about to really make me upsetty. I do the motor screws by hand because they always strip out. just slide her back on in here then, boys, you know. All right, now, so how much are we gonna beat that 68 by with punch 7 and the tires, which we previously found was the fastest that we could get? So let's go see. I think it's gonna do 78. All right, boys, speed pinion, Arrma Fire Team tires. Let's see if we can't hit 78. Can we hit 78? Okay, this is way more rowdy. Here we go. Oh my God. I can't stay in it, boys. It's just floating on these tires. I hope you could see that. Holy crap. Oh my God, it's just floating on the tires. It is just floating on these tires. Holy crap. Oh my God. There we go. First wreck. Something just pulled over way too hard. Oh my God. I was waiting on it. GNSS still in there? Yes, it is. First wreck, we're bringing back Woods with us. I don't know what just happened, but oh my God. Oh, it finally got dirty. Well, I guess we can destroy it now. Holy crap. I want one more good one. I think we're doing 78. I think we're doing 78, every bit of it. Oh my gosh. It blows these tires up, boys. Woo, 78, here we come, I think. All right, moment of truth here. Stop, read. 73. Only 73. Oh man, no brake. Okay, I want to do that again. These tires are warm now. Start. I just legitimately can't keep it straight on these tires. I'm so worried about this car. Just kidding. Low power mode. And I don't have a brake. Either battery died or it got hot. Woo! I don't know if we beat our record there, but let's see. Stop, read. 76 we did! Yes! 76. We did beat the 75 out of the box. So with these tires, I bet we could hit 80 if I got more traction, but let's go. We beat the box projection, guys. Awesome. And that's with all Arrma parts, even the tires. There's nothing else on it. Motor is definitely hot. Definitely hot. ESC, pretty warm. We're gonna let it cool down, all right? What do you guys think so far? You enjoyed this Talion? All right, what do you boys say? I put my first scratches on. I brought my little ramps out here. Not big ramps, but on my speed road. We're gonna see if we can hit it flat out on this 23 tooth and see what happens. Let's go try this out, guys. It's either gonna end really good or really bad. Being on 23, I don't know. We're already pulling hard towards the right. Let's see. I know it's just gonna reach me from here. Yeah, baby. Wow. I have plenty in the air. I gotta up the brake big time when I start doing flips. I gotta stand all the way back. Dude, we're hitting off little bitty skateboard ramps. That's concrete landing, boys. Yeah. Let's go, baby. I messed my ramps up on that one. What y'all think? That's so far flying right there, man, right out of the box. All right, let's hit it again. We're on that 100C battery, by the way. Good God, that was about over me. Oh my God. That almost jumped over me. I don't know how far I am. The camera's not gonna do it justice. I think I'm at least like 200 feet. Oh God. Fire team tires the way to go, man. Let's do a quick check. I have no brake. Oh yeah, look at that. That was a beautiful chassis when we started this. Oh my God. Hopefully the other two cameras are doing it pretty well, because I mean, man, this thing is flying. I gotta keep just stepping back to film with this, because dude, we're just going. All right, here we go. I think I'm far enough now. Woo! Bumping into me. These are skateboard ramps, man. I think the ramps are messed up, but let's hit them one more time and then we're gonna call it good for today. No twistaroo in the sky. Man, I love this car so far. By far my favorite Arrma out of the box, guys. The Creighton didn't last 5 minutes, man. This is insane. Hope y'all are enjoying this as much as I am. Worth every penny.